I'm going to show you how I made these cute fall decor pumpkins using a marbling paint technique. With any paint pouring or marbling project, you're going to need a medium that simply thins your paint so it's able to pour. And with this one, you're using a 1-to-1 ratio, and that's pretty much for like all of them. You're going to just pour in on it. I just eyeballed it, half paint pouring medium, and you stir it. And don't stir too much because you don't want a lot of air bubbles because those will show up in your finished product. So I'm actually just using 3 colors here and using the medium first and putting in the paint, and any kind of craft paint is going to work. These are a specific brand, but I've used it with several other different kinds and they work quite well. I'm adding a little bit of gold paint. The gold paint, I did not use the marbling medium because it's thin enough. This is a wood round and I spray painted it first. You could also just use the acrylic paint, the same paint that you're using. And I did that so the paint would move easily along the wood. I've tried it without doing the painting and the paint doesn't quite move as smoothly, and I think that's a step you shouldn't skip. And you just put it in the pattern you want. Again, this is open for experimentation. You can do whatever you want. And you just simply tilt it up and around, and you want it to get ideally all the way to the edge and even over the edge. It doesn't quite get to the edges, so I mixed up a little bit more paint, again with the half paint, half medium, and I just poured that along the edge. And then I use a paintbrush to kind of finesse it. Lastly, I use a silicone spray, and that helps to create those little circles, what they call cells, and just gives it a really fun look to the project. And that's it. Open to experimentations. I hope you have fun with this technique.